we are not instructed to solve this equation by factorization. Let us do small inspection. The equation is 6x squared plus 7x minus 20 equals to 0. Do small check. Let's first check. This one quadratic. Yes, it's quadratic because the highest power of a number variable here is 2. So it's quadratic. And it's an equation because we have sign of equality here. Then you solve. What you do here is multiply the leading coefficient here and the constant. The leading coefficient here is 6. And if you multiply it, you're going to get minus 120. So pick some numbers inside 120 in which when you add it, it will give you 7. And when you multiply them, it will give you minus 120. Of course, the numbers here to be used are 15 and 8. Because 15 plus 8, 15 minus 8, it is 7. And 15 times minus 8 is 120. So they want to replace 7x and 15 and minus 8. So here you have 6x squared plus 15x minus 8x minus 20 equals to 0. And if you like, you can start with minus 8 or plus 15. You still get the answer. So next, you now put it in bracket. You bracket 6x squared plus 15. Then you add again with whatever comes later, which is minus 8x minus 20. Of course, will be equals to 0. So you take the bracket one by one. Take this one now. Why is it common here? 3 and x. So here you have 3x here outside and 2x. Because 3 times 2, 6. X times x times x squared. So plus 5. Because 3x times 5 is 15x. So we are done with this one now. Then you come here. Of course, minus 4 is common there. So you factor at minus 4. What you have here will be 2x and plus 5. Can you see it here? All equals to 0. So you have this bracket identical. So that means your answer is correct. So you pick the one outside here, 3x. This one, minus 4. And you pick M on the bracket here, 2x plus 5. Of course, will be equals to 0. We are statically factorized now. So either for here, either 3x minus 4 equals to 0 or 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Yes. So from here, 3x will be equals to 4 or 2x will be equals to minus 5. So divide both sides by this 3, this one by 3, this one by 2, this one by 2. So this one will cancel out. So x equals to 4 over 3, or from here, x will be equals to minus 5 over 2. And that's the final answer. So the solution to this equation is x is either 4 over 3 or x is equals to minus 5 over 2. Wow. Please help me share this video. Bye-bye.